All right. So yesterday we talked about finding the place value of the numbers that were over here. And then today we're just going to talk about how to find the place numbers that are on the other side of the decimal point over here. So numbers 1 through 4, it says write the place and value of the underlined digit, which we also did yesterday. So see this 1, it is 3 places behind the decimal point. So it goes tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So off to the side, you would write thousandths. And then you would also write, it says the place and value. So you'd write 0.001. Copy that down. On number 2, the underlined digit is this number 2 right here. So we have tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10 thousandths. So off to the side, you would write 10 thousandths. And then you would also write 0.0002. So go ahead, try number 3 and 4. You might want to pause it. All right, so make sure that your paper looks like this for 1 through 4. Okay, and 1 through 5, it says write the number in the form indicated. So word form, we have 1.5629. In word form, you need to know first what it goes out to. So this 9 would be in the 10,000th spot. So we have the number 1, so it'd be 1. And then when you have a decimal, you just use the word and. So 1 and 5,629 10,000ths. Again, that was 1 and 5,629 10,000ths. So you would have to spell all of that out. Number 6, it says use short word form. So you have 568, and then you have and 101, and this goes all the way out to the 10,000ths. I'll show you what it's supposed to look like on the next slide. On number 7, you have 27. Let me get this out of the way. You have 27.6003, and it asks you to write that in expanded form. So yesterday we used expanded form where you started with the furthest digit and then filled the rest in with zeros and then put a plus sign. And then you kept going and kept doing the same thing, which is fine, but there's another way you can do it, and that's by multiplying each value by, hang on, let me get this out of the way. Sorry. All right, so I'll just use this to show you. It's by multiplying each value by what it would be. So we have 27. So to get 20, you have to multiply 2 times 10. To get the 7, you have to multiply 7 times 1, and so on. So to get the 6, since it's behind the decimal, you have to multiply 6 by 0.1. This way is a little more confusing than the way we did yesterday, but there's 2 ways to do expanded form. So go ahead and make sure you have all of this copied down. And then once you have it completely like I have it, go ahead and glue it into your math notebook. Once you're done with that, go ahead and answer these 5 questions on a separate sheet of paper or on your whiteboard. Either way, I just need to check it before you can move on. And then you can go ahead and grab the homework after you're done with this guided practice.